Hi crafters, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. I was in Dollar Tree and I found these cute pumpkins for $1. And I thought, how can I dress that up and make a craft out of it? While I was in the store, I did find some Mod Podge. So I thought, let's Mod Podge the pumpkin with book pages. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make this craft. Before you get started, cover your work surface with some sort of paper to protect it. Then there's nothing special that you have to do with the book pages. Just start tearing them out. And then tear them into little pieces. Pour the Mod Podge onto a plastic plate, and with a foam brush start to apply it, an even coat to the pumpkin in a small section. I think that you should probably start at the top is what I recommend, and then just place a newspaper print on it, apply some more Mod Podge over the top, and then continue doing another section. Overlapping the pages as you go. Now, since it can be a little messy, I recommend that you only do it halfway and then leave it dry, and then do the other half of the pumpkin. And you do have to press it down with your fingers sometimes as you're going, but then also when you brush over it, it helps it to stick in that spot. Try to make it level as you're going around and try to get out any creases that happen to appear. And then just continue to do this until you have, as I said, half of it covered, and then let it dry. So I'm going to continue to do this and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I have the pumpkin about halfway done, so I'm going to let it dry before I do the other side. It'll make it easier because as you're doing it and as you're pressing it down, your fingers and everything get sticky. So I do want to recommend that you maybe have some water and some paper towels handy so that you can be wiping it off of your hands as you're going along. I finished my pumpkin completely with the paperback book pages, and I've let it dry. Now it's time to brush on another thin coat of Mod Podge over the entire pumpkin to make sure that you seal the pages completely. Now it's time to embellish the pumpkin. I looked through my craft supplies and I found lots of things that I could use, but I narrowed it down to I want to use some glitter. I made a little bow and I'm going to use these flowers, but you can just look through and see whatever you have and then embellish it the way you would like. The first thing I'm going to do is to put glitter on the stem. So I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge, or you can use glue, and put it on the stem. And then just sprinkle the glitter over it. Now I have a piece of paper underneath so that it catches the glitter, and I can either put it back into the container, or if I need to put more on my pumpkin, I can just put it easily back into the dish. Okay, I put the glitter on it. Let me just wipe away a little bit that's around here. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to put this bow on it, like right about there. So again, I'm going to take some glue or Mod Podge, and attach the bow. And then what I want to do is take these flowers and put it around also. I cut them off, and they have little wires, and I left a little bit of wire on there so that I can easily just poke it into the pumpkin. That one might be a little too long. Let me cut that a little shorter, and it should work. And my paperback pumpkin or paperback page pumpkin is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to make this unique decorator pumpkin. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. In addition, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting information and free projects.